Easter lamb. It's a roast leg of lamb done with a dry spice. Start off with a tablespoon of fennel seed. Okay, now all this spice isn't that necessary, however, it does give the most amazing flavour to a leg of lamb. From there, smoked paprika, tablespoon. Next, a little touch of cayenne pepper. That's great for the heat. And when you roast that, it really does take the lamb up to a completely different level. Right, touch of cloves, a little bit of turmeric, and then finally, a little touch of cinnamon. That sweetens things up for the lamb and makes it a little easier, especially for the kids. Some salt into the mix. Now, give that a little mix. Take a little small paring knife and just put it through the legs of lamb. These are little legs that have been boned out. In and twist. Now, through and twist the knife, roll it round and twist. Now, from there, take your cinnamon and your little sprigs of thyme and just push that through, all the way through. It's almost like you're studying the lamb and the cinnamon together. Delicious. So as the lamb cooks, it really starts to perfume with the cinnamon and the nice fresh thyme. Same with this one. Sprig in, a little bit of thyme. Lamb into the spices and really rub that in. With the bone out, it's so much easier to get all that flavour of the rub. Now that's one done. Next one in, fennel seeds, smoked paprika, cayenne, a little bit of turmeric, cloves and cinnamon. Now really rub all that spice in there. Okay, nice. So, rub on the lamb. Nice. Right. Okay, from there, vegetables. Onions. A slice, roughly chopped. It's going to help brilliantly with the gravy. Top and tail the carrots. Quick and easy. A couple of sticks of celery. Really nice earthy flavour from the celery. Right, olive oil. In. Start roasting those vegetables off. Right. After that, a teaspoon of honey over the veg. And really start to caramelise the vegetables. After that, mix the lamb on and just start searing that lamb over. Searing the lamb nicely. Once the lamb is seared, sit it on the bed of vegetables. A little touch of olive oil over the lamb. From there, into the oven for 60 minutes. 300 degrees. In. Nice. Out of the oven. Nice. Look at that. Baby. Beautiful. Right. A little tablespoon of a mustard vinaigrette with some lime. Pepper mustard. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Quick, easy. Lime. Zest. So the vinaigrette becomes really nice and sort of peppery, but zesty. Nice. Right, roll that.
And just squeeze lime juice in.
Mix that up. Lemon mustard vinaigrette.
Lamb.
Beautiful.
Take out your smells. Now, from there.
It smells amazing. Right. From there. Potatoes. These have been sautéed with some little bacon bits. Fingerling potatoes. On.
Lamb.
On. And then just drizzle this lime, citrus, peppery vinaigrette on. And there. That's what you wanted. A delicious, simple Easter Moroccan spiced roasted leg of lamb. Happy Easter!